In today's world, being prepared is more important than ever, and having top-notch survival tools and tactical gear is a must. This expertly curated list of the coolest gadgets highlights cutting-edge innovation and rugged durability. Whether you're an avid adventurer, a seasoned survival expert, or simply getting ready for the unexpected, these hand-picked items will elevate your preparedness for any scenario. Let's get started. If you want to survive in the wilderness, you need the right tools. Fortunately, most of them are combined the ultimate gadget called Lifesaver, an incredible survival gadget packed with many features. At a first glance, it has a UV purification module for purifying water, which is effortless and takes only a few minutes. And it also has a built-in flashlight with a strobe mode, which is very useful in dangerous situations, along with an 85 decibel siren. In addition, the Lifesaver works as a power bank with a USB port, and recharging the device itself is as simple as twirling it or simply plugging it into a power source. Lastly, there's an attachment for lighting a fire, which delivers a 2000-degree Fahrenheit plasma arc that can withstand all weather conditions. Ensure your awareness of your surroundings with the Puoy Soul emergency radio, a versatile gadget designed for demanding situations. This radio's robust construction enables it to withstand the harshest survival conditions, while its crystal-clear sound ensures maximum clarity, even in dense environments. Furthermore, its AM, FM, and NOAA bands boast exceptional signal reception, crucial in critical situations. What sets it apart is its practical hand crank and solar recharging system, providing users with a regenerative power source for extended survival capabilities. And yes, it excels at charging your smartphone as well. Meet the Lockheart Trip Alarm, an ingenious automatic trip alarm system designed to enhance your protection against predators. This compact device can be activated automatically when rigged as a trip alarm and can also be manually fired. Using it is a breeze. Insert the compatible flare or bear banger, pull down on the attached pull ring, and release. When establishing a perimeter, make sure the device is unloaded and connect the tripwire at the desired height for the animals you want to be alerted to. Now, both you and the animal are aware that something is amiss. For optimal perimeter security, we recommend setting up multiple devices at different heights. The Lockheart Trip Alarm ensures you stay informed and protected in various outdoor scenarios. For every adventurer and survivor, a backpack is an indispensable tool, and none come close to the Guard Dog Security ProShield Pro. This backpack is finely crafted with bulletproof protection and a wealth of functionalities. Designed meticulously for professionals seamlessly transitioning from airport to office, the ProShield Pro boasts premium aesthetics with meticulous details evident in the trim zippers, pockets, and compartments. Featuring a ballistic-resistant panel capable of stopping 9mm bullets, the ProShield Pro offers ultimate protection in emergency situations. What truly distinguishes the Guard Dog Security ProShield Pro backpack is its unparalleled organization. With laptop and tablet compartments and over 20 pockets, it facilitates easy organization of your belongings, keeping them readily accessible. A unique feature is the phone grip suction technology, securely holding any smartphone on the strap without falling. The backpack prioritizes comfort with comfortable fit shoulder straps and an ergonomic back, ensuring premium airflow to prevent sweat and discomfort even with heavy loads. Whether commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, the Guard Dog Security ProShield Pro backpack stands as the ultimate choice for safety and unparalleled convenience. A compact and straightforward tool like the Atwood Rope Micro is essential for survival at the campsite. Whether you need a cord for home, garage, or wilderness, this palm-sized device is always ready for action. The Atwood comes with a 125-foot micro cord and includes a built-in recessed cutting blade for easy cutting. Additionally, it offers various color choices and material options, including polyester and nylon, ensuring everyone can have their own customized Atwood. The Tiger Lady Self-Defense Claw is an essential survival tool, designed to provide unparalleled personal protection. Inspired by nature's apex predator, this device equips women with the means to defend themselves against any threat. Weighing less than 2 ounces, this compact and portable tool is easy to carry in pockets, bags, or even your favorite clutch. Its simple yet effective design allows you to grip it with a fist, ready to fend off any assailant. Ideal for runners, it offers a secure hold that reduces strain on the arms and shoulders. But there's more. Tiger Lady features a hidden advantage. The hollow channels beneath its claws act as DNA collectors, ensuring that you not only defend yourself but also contribute to bringing your attacker to justice. Don't let dirty water ruin your next camping adventure. Upgrade your camping game with the Platypus Quick Draw Microfilter System. Designed with lightweight portability in mind, this system provides effortless access to fresh water whenever you need it. Harnessing the power of hollow fiber technology, this remarkable system filters water at an impressive rate of 3 liters per minute, while maintaining a micron size of 0.2. Meeting the stringent NSFP 231 protocol, it effectively eradicates bacteria and protozoa, including notorious culprits like Giardia, Cryptosporidium, Salmonella, and cholera. With a robust cartridge life of 1,000 liters, it's a trusty companion for countless trips. The Quick Draw reservoir offers both durability and taste-free water storage, boasting a wide mouth and handle for effortless filling from any source. Moreover, cleaning the system is a breeze with 2 convenient techniques, the shake to clean and tool-free back flushing options. These ensure consistent and fast flow rates throughout your journey, leaving you worry-free. Weighing in only 3.3 ounces, this filter system is the lightest option for your next journey. Are you ready to confront the unexpected? Do you have the essential tools to sustain yourself for 72 hours without your usual food supplies? If not, consider the Nutrient Survival Bug Out Go Bag as the solution you've been searching for. Contained within this 10-liter waterproof dry bag are 25 individual freeze-dried meals, providing an average of 2,333 calories per day. These delicious meals not only gratify your taste buds, but also deliver crucial nutrients vital for maintaining alertness during emergencies. Whether you're on the move or stationed somewhere, the Nutrient Survival Bug Out Go Bag proves to be an excellent addition to your bug out bag or vehicle kit. Its lightweight design ensures effortless portability, allowing you to carry it seamlessly wherever your journey leads you. This unique survival kit from Prometheus Designworks is precision milled from titanium and boasts dual compartments for utmost versatility. The first compartment is tailored to house fire-making essentials like ferro rod strike anywhere matches, while the second accommodates a German-made barrel-style pencil sharpener, perfect for crafting tinder from sticks or additional tinder storage. Its top features a waterproof oil-filled button compass, while the hexagonal body shape prevents rolling and the industrial knurling ensures a secure grip, doubling as a striking surface for strike-anywhere matches. With these included accessories, the TIE-FST transforms into a self-contained mini fire-making kit, ideal for wilderness survival and ensuring preparedness in any adventure. Meet the emergency Mylar blankets, a 5-pack emergency blanket set from Surviveware to make the stay more comfortable. These blankets are ingeniously folded into tightly packed waterproof laminate bags, allowing you to travel light while safeguarding your gear. Designed by the brilliant minds at NASA, you can trust that these blankets provide optimal thermal insulation. With a silver and green design, the silver side retains an impressive 90% of your body heat, while the green side retains 65% to regulate your temperature. Moreover, the green side also helps camouflage your body, making you less visible to predators or enemies. Not only do these blankets prioritize functionality, but they also feature high-quality advanced aluminum foil that is strong and reusable, ensuring their longevity for repeated use. In short, they are compact, lightweight, and designed to keep you warm, dry, and protected from the elements.